Okay, would you get rid of your iPhone for a Trump phone? Yes, the president is trying to sell you a phone, a Trump-branded phone. We don't know what it's going to look like, but the product shown on the company website or the website appears to be an iPhone. But a news release says the smartphone will be an Android. Starting price, about $500. The Trump organization also says it's going to sell you, or try to sell you, a phone plan to compete with AT&T and Verizon. That phone plan reportedly will cost $47.45 per month, a reference to him being the 47th and 45th president. We reached out to the Trump organization for comment, but did not hear back.
If this is seen as a signal of allegiance and support, I suspect that when we have, if we end up having a product rather than an announcement, then we might start seeing those gold phones in Congress, and that the privacy and security implications at that point would be truly severe.
Okay, there's a whole lot of questions here about what's happening. Our business and tech reporter, Scott Budman, is here. So we have a Trump Bible, Trump hats, Trump steaks, Trump a lot of things.
Sure.
A phone now. Is it within the legal parameters here to do this?
Yeah, you know, those questions have been asked a long time, since 2016. And yeah, we've been seeing Bibles, we've been seeing shoes, now phones. Apparently it is, because there is this family organization. Yeah. So there is a little distance, but it's a Trump-branded phone. It's called the T1. Due out sometime in September. And interestingly enough, as you said yourself, Raj, on the website, that's clearly an iPhone, but it's going to be an
iPhone.
Android phone. Right. So they're not giving away what it's going to look like yet.
Okay, so you said Android. So is it surprising that it's going to be running and operating on this Android, or?
You know, a little bit, only because it's interesting. There was a lot of back and forth between Apple and Trump that seemed friendly. Tim Cook, the CEO, donated $1 million to the inauguration after Trump's election. Apple said, we will pledge $500 billion to do business in America. A lot of back and forth, but there's still back and forth. Apple said, we won't make the iPhone in America. We're going to make it in China and India. President Trump very angry on that on social media. This could be a shot across the bow against Apple. Who knows? But who knows about any of this at this point?
Can he take a little market share away from you? We mentioned 4 companies there: Apple, Google, AT&T, Verizon, in terms of the phone plans. Can he take even just a little chunk of their business here?
The guess is a little chunk, not a whole bunch, but he does have a really strong base of supporters who will buy certain things. Look at the cryptocurrency that his family is selling. That's selling very well. I don't think the shoes are selling well, or the Bibles, to be honest, are selling well. But a phone, maybe. It would be a status symbol to say, I'm part of MAGA, I'm part of this group, I believe in this, I'm loyal to the president, whether you're a politician or just a supporter. And so I imagine some of this will sell. And at $499, that's actually a pretty decent price for a fully functional smartphone these days.
Yeah, and when's the expected debut of this?
September.
September. We'll be
Can't
talking
wait to see him in the wild.
We'll be talking to you in
Absolutely,
September.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Scott.
Thank you, Scott.